What is up, my guys? BeardedReality here. So first of all, you can see the beard's gone. Don't worry, it'll come back. We're just offside like the Lichfield kind of area, and we've just spotted this house. It looks pretty mental, but also quite freshly sealed, so we'll go and check it out. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm with Brett today, so do like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, we'll crack to it. Yeah, so while driving down, while driving down the road, spotted this place here. And yeah, it looks like stuff's in it and all sorts. Pretty mad. But those boards look very, very fresh. I want to see if I can get round the side of it. Yeah, look, she's got some gate here. That should be it. Interesting. Yeah, so this is what we're looking at. I mean, from what I'm seeing... Yo, this is mad. I'm not seeing a way in, but you never know. This looks like it's just been freshly boarded though. Like, legit. Oh, you can easily cut round here though. Yeah, look at it. Absolutely mad. Couldn't ask for bugs everywhere, but an easier way in. At least to the grounds. Ah, there's a sense, that's a sensor there. So you've got a sensor there. I wonder if that's going to pick me up if I go over here. I don't know. Because we can kind of cut the tree. Sensor! What? Lichfield, it's a sensor. Let's have a look. Well, I don't know. What? Well, there. Fresh boards, these. I'm guessing we don't want to be here long. Oh, somebody's crawling on me. Yeah. Lots of sensors. Guessing not then.